Straight down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong. As the fog was settling down, I jumped up on my Enfield and I brought the bike alive. She engaged first with a heavy clunk, it's 1 gear out of 5. I said it's time to do some cruising, let the blacktop take the load. I could feel my spirit lifting as I headed down the road, bound through the Adelaide hills. Mount Barker was my goal. Troubles fade in the mirror with your boots on the foot pegs tight. But I've been wearing this smile like a mask to hide the night. Yeah, I need to catch up with a lifelong mate, cause it's not the week to speak.
That seems a lot harder than it should have been.
The darkest days and find the strength we see. Well, the coffee chat was finished and we said our long goodbyes. I fired up that iron horse and felt my spirit rise. I came up to the gums and had to choose a left or right, but the choice is always easy when the Enfield breathes with might. She beats just like an old man's heart, a steady heavy stroke. You feel the iron vibrating when the engine spoke. I said no to the freeway rush, where the drivers race, and I turned her down a back road for a slower, sweeter pace. You'll know when you need a ride and which road to choose. You gotta know when to lean it in and when to let it cruise. Your troubles fade in the mirror with your boots on the foot pegs tight. Yeah, I need to catch up with a lifelong mate, cause it's not weak to speak. We'll talk away the darkest days and find the strength we see. Now every rider knows that the secret to the ride is chasing down a brighter sun with passion deep inside. Cause every road's a wonder and every turn's a score, but you find your peace of mind when you hear that Enfield's roar. So I chose the twisting valleys where she thumps under the load, awakening my senses on the bends along the road. And when the ride was over, the world felt clean and new. My Royal Enfield Classic, she had pulled me straight on through. You know when you need a ride and which road to choose. You gotta know when to lean it in and when to let it cruise. Your troubles fade in the mirror with your boots on the foot pegs tight. But I've been catch up with a lifelong mate, 'cause it's not weak to speak. We'll talk away the darkest days and find strength we seek. Yeah, when you and your mates meet, just a slow iron heart. Thump, thump, thump through the hills. Thump, thump, thump. Thump, thump, thump.
Now I know I'm using a lift because my back's killing me just after doing that. Okay, I'll do some measuring and I'll put these up.